So friends, welcome to the series of Kucoin announcements. अगली जो update आ रही that is from the Kucoin team itself. You can see the root network, that is the name of the coin, that is the root network, and इसका जो ticker है that is ROOT. So that is getting listed on Kucoin exchange, that is the world premiere, and you can see the details over here. So it is getting listed on Kucoin exchange. You can see the deposit will be effective immediately. अगर आपको trading करना है then it will start from 21st November UTC के time format में. आपके withdrawal चालू हो जाएंगे 22nd November से, that is from 10 at UTC time format, and the trading pair available रहेगा that is in the format of ROOT/USDT. That means you can purchase this particular coin on USDT platform. You can see you can convert USDT into root coin, and then you can purchase this coin in a spot trading platform on Kucoin exchange. ठीक है. So this is a layer 1 protocol which is designed as a hub of the open metaverse where anything can be connected to anything. The root network is purpose built for the open metaverse with core UX and digital content, focused protocols to enable seamless user experience and enhance asset interoperability across the open metaverse. So this is all about the root network introduction part of it. You can also check out the website, white paper, Twitter, Discord, and token contract over here. And उनका risk warning भी यहाँ पे available है. That is the update coming from Kucoin team. You can see the update. I will provide the link in the description box. So this is the main website of root protocol. You can see the rootnetwork.com is the main website, and the highlight is more than just a blockchain. The root network enables seamless user experience and asset interoperability across the open metaverse. So this is the main highlight of this platform. So ये उनका वेबसाइट है, ये उनका वाइट पेपर है. You can see the white paper over here, and also you can check out the social media handles. You can see on the X platform, that is the Twitter. उनके पास है 21.7 thousand followers. उनके वाले Discord channel भी है that, and they are having 10.5 thousand members. They are operating on Ethereum blockchain, so you can see the Etherscan contract address over here. And as of now, CoinMarketCap पे listed नहीं है, but that will come soon. As soon as the trading will start on this platform, you can see the details on the CoinMarketCap as well. So that's about the root network, and you can see the article in the description box.